If you think global investing is about choosing the right market, then you're wrong. There are far more important factors to consider rather than just which market to invest in. Things like the structure through which you choose to make these particular investments. As Indian investors, we have a multitude of options open to us, some of which are GIFT City funds and UCITS ETFs. Both allow you to invest internationally, but the difference between them comes down to their structure. So stick till the end to figure out which one works better for you. Over the last few years, GIFT City has emerged as India's new gateway to global investing. And honestly, GIFT City solves a real problem. It gives us a compliant, familiar way to access global markets through Indian fund managers. But what most people still don't realize is that GIFT City funds and UCITS ETFs may both provide global exposure, but structurally, they're completely different products. So let me make this simple for you. A GIFT City fund is usually a pooled structure managed by a fund house. UCITS ETFs work differently. These are internationally recognized fund structures, usually domiciled in Ireland or Luxembourg, and they're widely used across Europe, Singapore, Dubai, and private banking ecosystems globally. When you buy a UCITS ETF through a global brokerage platform, you directly hold the instrument yourself. You can see the holdings, the index methodology, the allocations, and trade it in real time on global exchanges. And this is where the conversation becomes interesting, because seasoned global investors like HNIs and family offices don't just optimize for returns. They optimize for tax efficiency, portfolio control, estate planning, and long-term compounding efficiency. For example, many UCITS ETFs use accumulating structures. This means that your dividends are automatically reinvested within the fund, instead of being distributed as taxable cash payouts every year. UCITS structures also avoid direct US estate tax exposure because the instrument itself is domiciled outside of the United States. That being said, most GIFT City outbound offerings today are still concentrated around a relatively small set of global equity products. So this isn't really a debate about which market is better. It's a question of structure. Now, this is the shift that PASA is helping Indian investors understand, making global investing more accessible with more clarity, more context, and a broader view of how global portfolios are actually structured.